Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, be sure to mash those like and subscribe buttons. Okay, so no, we're not going to do that. That was actually for my brother-in-law. As you may or may not know, I've been on vacation in Georgia and doing some fishing up there in the mountains. I may or may not produce some kind of short video about it, but he likes to watch my fishing videos. He lives up in Georgia, and we were kind of joking around about how I never ask for likes or subscriptions, and I don't do like the stereotypical YouTube intro that a lot of creators do. So that was for him. I'm just messing around. But today I'm headed to Mosquito Lagoon. As you can see, it's very bright out. I'm getting an extremely late start because we drove really late yesterday to get home. So I decided I'm just going to wake up whenever I wake up and get the boat ready and head out and get there whenever I get there. So that's what I'm doing this morning. So it's actually about 9:30, which is about 4 hours later than when you normally see me doing these intros. But so I'm gonna do more of a midday fishing trip today. The good thing is that while I was, hold on a second, I get over these railroad tracks. Sorry about that. So the good thing is that while I was on vacation, I was kind of keeping an eye on some other people that fish the area, and I saw that the topwater bite has still been extremely good all day long. So today it's overcast. There's a 20% chance of rain most of the day. So these are perfect conditions for topwater. So with any luck, I'm gonna have a really fun day like the last day. Hopefully I didn't jinx it by saying that, but that's what I'm hoping for. So anyway, I'm gonna get out here as soon as I get to the ramp, and we will see how it goes. So until then, I'll talk to you later. Okay, this is where we're going to start. It is pretty windy, more than I thought it would be. Well, I'm not thrilled so far. I've seen two redfish together and thought I casted pretty well to them, but they didn't show any interest in this topwater and then just swam away somewhere in that direction over there. I can't find them again. So far, I've only had one strike from probably what was a small trout on topwater, so not looking so good. Oh, damn, got bit, came off. Oh, come on, dang, it came off. Damn, he got it for a second. That was a solid fish. I know there's other fish out there willing to eat, but there's something about this lure. They're just short striking it today. So let's see what else right there. Now I got him. Pretty sure it's a red. Oh yeah, nice red. Boy. Come on. Look at that. Oh, got him. Yes. Alright, there we go. 23-inch red. First fish since my trip to Georgia. So, not bad. I like it. Redfish. Jeez. Come on, nail it. I know you're there. Yes, there we go. Oh, did it come off? Oh, no. Wow, okay. Feels like a trout. Dang, I'm pissed. Oh yeah, big trout. He's pissed. Hopefully I can get him in the boat. Got him. There we go. There we go. Fish number 3. Nice 22-inch trout. So, turning out to be a decent day. This feels like the kind of day where I can sit right here and just keep casting and probably keep catching every so often as the area replenishes. But I think I want to move a little bit. I don't like sitting in the same spot too long. Oh yes. That seems like a big fish. It's fighting like a big fish. Let's see what we got here. Another big trout. Oh boy. A big trout. Hope I can get him in here. Come on. As soon as they see the net, they freak out. Oh, no. Yes. That's a much bigger trout than the last one. Nice. There we go. 24-inch trout now. So, pretty nice, fat, healthy trout. So, I'm having a good day. It's not on fire, but it's pretty consistent. So, considering that I didn't start fishing until like 10 a.m., I'm pretty happy with it. You were ready to go, weren't you? There he goes. Oh, right there. I saw a big old flank, but I couldn't tell what species it was. It was kind of reddish, but you just never know with this water color and cloudiness.
on. Stay on there. Okay. Damn it. Let's see. Under the boat. Redfish, redfish, redfish. Nice. No, don't go under the boat. Don't go under the boat. Nice. Oh boy. He got it right in the head. He ain't liking this. Got him. Nice. Excellent. Still going strong. And it's all on top. That's what's amazing. What a fun day. This guy's 22 inch. Nice solid fish. All right, we're calling it quits. Just because I'm wore out. So, had enough fish. You can never have enough fish, but I've caught enough. Weather's still looking ominous, although it never did come down on me yet. So hopefully I can get out of here, back to the ramp and load it up before it rains. I wouldn't mind a free boat wash on the way home.
All right, good afternoon. And it was a good afternoon and a good late morning too. As I said earlier, I didn't get started till real late. I really didn't get on the water until 10 a.m. It's now 2:30, and in that time, you know, I got launched, got out to some spots, fished, got back, loaded up the boat, and in between all that, I think I caught 4 or 5 redfish, all of them really nice fish, all of them slot fish except for one, and then I think, I want to say 3 trout, all of them overslot. Could have been 2 trout, but I think it was 3. Anyway, it'll be in the video, so you'll know. And all on topwater again. I kind of mixed it up. I tried several different topwaters, didn't really find one that they preferred. I definitely found some that they didn't want at all. But you know, there was a lot of short strikes, so I was trying to correct that. Never did really find anything that worked perfectly, but you know, I also mixed in some soft plastics in there, and I got 1 strike on a soft plastic, but came off, you know, pulled the lure down, and that was the only strike I got on a plastic. So regardless, it was a pretty fun day, considering how, well, it was a pretty fun day, period. Doesn't matter what time I started, but considering that I got such a late start and it was really a short day, it was pretty damn good. So I was very happy with the day. Glad to be back in Florida. This kind of fishing is so much more exciting than trout fishing in Georgia, at least the kind I was doing. You know, I like wading creeks and rivers and fly casting for them, and you know, sight fishing them that way. But unfortunately, where I was, that wasn't the type of fishing that I could do. So anyway, good day. Happy to have gotten out, and until next time, that's all I got. See ya.